In this video, we are going to learn about the construction of a quadrilateral when three sides and two angles are given. Here we are going to discuss the second question of exercise 4.4 from the chapter Practical Geometry of class 8. Now in this question, we have to construct the quadrilateral TRUE where we have been given three sides, the measures of the three sides and two angles are given. We have been given that the side TR is equal to 3.5 cm, side RU is equal to 3 cm, side UE is equal to 4 cm, and the two angles that are given, angle R is equal to 75 degree and angle U is equal to 120 degree. Now here we'll first of all start the construction with the construction of the rough figure. We'll first of all construct the rough figure here so that it helps us to make the main figure without any errors and correctly. Now see, what are the angles that are given to us here? Angle R, that is 75 degree, and angle U, which is 120 degree. So when we have these two angles, we'll be first of all starting with the side that connects these two angles, which is the side RU. Okay, now whenever we say rough figure, it doesn't mean that we will just draw it with the rough hands, but it means that the measures are not exactly what are given in the question. So rough figure, the measures will not be exactly same. We are just simply drawing it so that it gives us an idea about what we are going to construct. So this is 3 cm suppose. Okay, side R U. Now after this, after locating these two vertices, we'll be talking about angle R, which is 75 degrees. So it is an acute angle, and the side which is connected with R, the angle R, is TR, which is 3.5 cm. So it is somewhat lengthier than the given side RU. So we'll try to draw it like that in the rough figure also. So this is 3.5 R. So this is TR, which is 3.5 cm. After that we have angle U, which is 120 degree. So please remember that angle U is 120 degree, means it is an obtuse angle. So we'll draw it like this, and the side which is connected is 4 cm. So again it is even lengthier than TR also. So we'll draw it somewhat like this. So this is UE, and at the end we'll just simply connect T and E to get the quadrilateral TRUE. So what was the angle here? 75 degree. What was the angle here? 120 degree. And the side measure here was 4 cm. So this is how we have to proceed with the main construction also. So now since the measures are all given to us, we already have a rough idea about how the quadrilateral will look like. Once we have constructed it, let's start with the main construction. Now the rough figure is there. We'll first of all construct the side RU. Okay, so what are we constructing? First of all, we're constructing side RU, which is 3 cm. So with the help of a ruler, we will be constructing it like this, 3 cm. So we'll be first of all drawing it with a pencil, and later on we can, once the quadrilateral is constructed, then we can highlight it with a sketch pen or something. So this is the side RU. Once we have got these two vertices, what we can do is, the second step will be, as we moved in the rough figure, in the same sequence we'll be moving here in the main construction also. So second we'll be constructing angle R. And since we know that 75 degree can be constructed with a compass, so we'll be doing it like that. So we have this vertex R. We place the pointer at R here like this. Now I'll make an arc like this. So we can even tilt the figure a little bit. Now after constructing this arc, now see, we are constructing 75 degree. So 75 degree is an angle which lies exactly between 60 degree and 90 degree. So we need those arcs. So we have 60 degree. Then we'll place the compass at 60 degree arc and we draw an arc like this. We'll try to get a point for 90 degree arc. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll not draw this ray completely because this is not the main side of the quadrilateral. So we'll just simply mark a point here. We'll make an arc here. So this gives us 60 degree arc and this gives us 90 degree arc, and now we'll bisect this arc to get the 75 degree ray. So one arc, the first arc we have made from 60 degree and the second arc we are making from 90 degree point. And now we've got the other point which we have to connect with R. We'll be forming a ray here. So this is the vertex R and this is the point. So we'll be making a ray here which gives us the location of side TR, but we still have to locate the point T here. Okay, so we mark an arrow here, we make an arrow here so that just to indicate that it is a ray. Now how to locate the point T? See, T is at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from R. So we'll open the compass for 3.5 centimeter. Always be very careful in the radius of the compass. It should be fixed when we are constructing everything. So now R, and we'll make an arc here to locate the point T. Okay, so this is the point T which is at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from the point R. Now we can even write the measure. So this was vertex U, this was vertex R, and this was vertex T. RU is 3 centimeter, RT is 3.5 centimeter. Now we'll be constructing 120 degree at vertex U, which is very easy to construct. So we'll again place the pointer at point U and make an arc like this. From this point, 0 degree point, we'll make an arc to construct 60 degree, and then from this we'll make an arc to construct 120 degree. Now we'll connect these two to get the ray which gives us 120 degree, and this has also given us the position to locate the side UE. Now E is at a distance of 4 centimeter from U. Okay, I just forgot to mention the sequence. So we had constructed RU, then we had constructed angle R. After that we constructed RT by locating the position of point T, and then we have constructed angle U, and then the last part which is we'll be constructing UE. So open the compass for the measure of UE, which is 4 centimeter. Open it very carefully. Place the pointer at U and make an arc here. So this is the point E, and we can now connect U and E and T to complete our quadrilateral. Okay, now we can simply highlight it with a sketch pen so that it is clearly visible to us what is the quadrilateral that we have constructed. So this is the quadrilateral TRUE which we had to construct. So the angle formed at R is 75 degrees, sorry. At vertex U it is 120 degree. The measure of UE given to us was 4 centimeters. So we have even written all the measures that were given to us in the question to make it more clear. So the sequence, will just again revise the sequence of construction. We constructed side RU first, then we constructed angle R. After that we could locate point T, so we constructed RT. Then we constructed angle U, and then we could locate point E, so we constructed UE, and later on we just joined the vertex T and E with a line segment. So this gives us the quadrilateral TRUE. So always start with the rough figure and then follow the steps to construct the main figure. Thank you.